Good Christmas Eve, folks. Almost Christmas Day. This is CHMR Chief Analyst James Watt for your Christmas Eve 11 o'clock forecast. Christmas Day flurries for tomorrow. Arctic cold, snap to fall, and some weekend snow and some more cold for next week. High today hit -2. The average is 0. The record high 15 degrees in 1990. -5 was our low. -7 is the average, and -15 is the record in 1970, and we had no precipitation today. -5 currently right now, dew point -9, humidity at 74%. Those winds are nice and light from the west at 6 kilometers per hour, pressure of 1,007 millibars, and we have no wind chill because of those nice light winds. For Christmas Day tomorrow, here we go. 6 a.m. cloudy skies, those west winds 20 kilometers per hour, -8. Will be cold out there. By noon, flurries and -4. Those winds will be light, and winds will continue to be light through tomorrow evening with some more flurries. That should taper off by 7 o'clock though, and -3. Your high tomorrow is 0, right on average. 11 o'clock right through 5 o'clock in the morning, we'll see cloudy skies, temperatures between -4 and -8. Wake up tomorrow morning though with temperatures closer to -9, with flurries beginning early in the morning and continuing into tomorrow afternoon, with temperatures by 11 a.m. at -6. Day plan looks like this by midnight and overnight tonight. Looking at those cloudy skies, temperatures of -4 and -7. By 8 a.m. and noon time, we'll see those flurries beginning and continuing through noon, and temperatures of -9 by 8 o'clock and -4 by noon. -9 tonight, cloudy and cold. Santa arrives finally. Precipitation of only 10%. Winds will be light. Those temperatures once again steady around -4 right through till midnight, and by 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning we'll see temperatures drop down to -6, and by 4, 5, and 6 a.m. we'll see those temperatures dip down close to -8 by 6 a.m. Merry Christmas tomorrow. Flurries and seasonal, 0 degrees, 60% chance. Winds becoming west 20 kilometers per hour in the morning and becoming light in the afternoon. And tomorrow night we'll see those increasing clouds, cold, -9 again, 20% chance of precipitation. Those winds will become west 30 and then increasing to west 40 overnight tonight, or overnight tomorrow night. Temperature tracker shows that the temperatures will be right around below average right through the week, with temperatures today right on average and then below average through Friday and close to average on Saturday. By Sunday we'll probably get above average. And as it shows here, temperatures on the next 7 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, well below the average, but temperatures between -7 and 0 degrees. Flurries possible on Thursday. Otherwise, lots of clouds. We'll see warmer temperatures by the weekend with -1. Saturday with mostly cloudy skies. Morning low of -14. Sunday looking at some morning snow, then clearing skies in the afternoon. Temperatures of 4 degrees in the morning. Those will drop through the afternoon with a cold front. So we'll see highs of 4 in the morning and that -1 in the afternoon. Monday, back to the cold snap with plenty of sunshine, but cold, a high of only -8 and a low of -13. As your CHMR weather. I'm CHMR Chief Analyst James Watt. Have a great night.